The Gateway of India is a historic monument located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It overlooks the Arabian Sea and is one of India's most famous tourist attractions, known for its grand architecture and symbolic value. It is often called the Taj Mahal of Mumbai. The history of Gateway of India is the foundation stone of the gateway was laid in 1913 and construction was completed in 1924. It was built to honor the visit of King George V and Queen Mary to India. The structure is a blend of Hindu and Muslim architectural styles, representing unity in diversity. After India gained independence in 1947, the last British troops left the country through this very gateway, making it a symbol of the end of the British rule in India. In front of Gate of India, the Taj Mahal Hotel in December 1693, built by Jamshedji Tata, the founder of the Tata Group, built as one of the first luxurious hotel in India to cater to dignitaries, royals and international guests. It was among the first building in Mumbai to have electricity, elevator and American fans. Become a symbol of Indian hospitality and luxury. In 2008 terror attacks, the hotel was one of the main sites targeted in November 26 attacks. It suffered major damage but was heroically defended and later fully restored. Today, the Taj Mahal Palace is an icon of Mumbai and a flagship property of the Taj Hotel Groups, known for its blends and historical grandeur and modern luxury. Message of the Gateway of India. Originally, it is symbolized the power and majesty of the British Empire. Today, it reflects India's independence as the last British troops left India through this very gateway in 1947. It now serves as a symbol of peace, strength, and heritage, reminding peoples of India's journey from colonial rules to independence.